This is System Test 2 of my Snapcircus fire alarm demonstration board. As you can see, we have a new speaker. Just kidding, but the S3 relay can actually be used as a replacement speaker. If you use a U2 alarm integrated circuit like project thing here's how you build it. The speaker would normally go here. And your battery pack and switch would normally go where the black and red wires are. All you really have to do is connect the relay to these ends here for it to act like a speaker, or in other words, an SP or SP2. And the horn LED is also disconnected, but it doesn't mean it will be for the whole system test. So let's try Wobbletown. Okay, that's not too bad. It's just sometimes it doesn't do the correct things, probably because the things inside of the relay in there probably are not supposed to act like a speaker. I do not know. Now let's try Simon. That is also not too bad. A bit better than the Wobbletown. And then let's try the pulse. Now let's reconnect the horn LED. Still looks great. That'll conclude today's system test. Let's come back tomorrow for system test 3.